meeting me o niya, nag-talk me regarding sa Ilocos Local Climate Change and Environmental Council. So, amo ni siya ginahuna, kaya amo tang include diri, but pag-search na mo, pag-ingon po ni Tita, nagihimo dahil si Attorney John. So, we're so glad that naa siya ordinance number 2012, kanang inyong gihawiran karon. During our minutes with the Vice Chairperson of the Environment and Natural Resources, we have Honorable Chris Antonio Ong. Na ay mga revisions and he is planning or urging from the Sangguniang Bayan if who kinsa ang kanang murag kupas ba ani tita or sa amendments ani tita. Kuan siya kanang changes na lamang amendments. So nasa objective po namo sa project proposal nga pag-amend ani. So ang daan nga name is Ilocos Local Climate Change Council. But pag meeting na mo, coordination meeting, naa siya Ilocos Local Climate Change and Environmental Council. Kay climate change is still part of the bracket sa environment. And environment is very broad, so at least we can talk many types of environmental issue. It can be in the solid waste, in energy, and also we invited the Front Water, pero wala sila kay I think busy. Sa Lieco, nag-team building sa Bohol. We also invited the health and sanitary inspector of our HDH, kay appeal man ang healthcare waste, but kanang more na ako tali, another na po ni agenda. So, mao ni siya ang changes, and then, just to read, para ma-include sa minutes, mao ni siya ang included sa board. So matawag siya again o Ilocos Local Climate Change and Environmental Council. The chairperson is the municipal mayor. The vice chairperson is the Sangguniang Bayan member, and the chairman on Committee on Environment and Natural Resources, including Committee on Appropriation, Budget and Finance, department head, representative from the Municipal Agriculture Office, two from academe, at least two representatives from academe, and representative from the Municipal Health Office, Municipal Local Government Office, head from the Engineering Office, head from the Office of the MPDO or the Municipal Planning and Development Office. Kay as per our talk from Bacolod, they are doing this. Mas better daw i-include na mo ang MPDO kay they are the one who is creating all of the plans in Ilocos. The MSWDO, the president of Liga ng mga Barangay, one representative from business sectors, and then representative from non-governmental organization. So mao ni siya ang i-add kay wala na suwat diri. Based on meeting, i-include si Menro, kay murag wala diri, and the president of Sangguniang Kabataan Federation, one from the MDRRMO, kay separate man ang DRRMO, Menro kita no? 3 reps from CSO that work from environment, so it is a challenge sa HEYO o sa PBH, kay center mo sa PBH ang environment, para masoon mi ang council, kay base na dyan kaming duhawa, noon mi natagaptak noon. And then one representative from youth, student, or children. So, 2 from academe. And then, sa meeting of the council nga rin, i-change siya kay once every 3 months. So, i-change siya ito quarterly. Ang nasuwat po sa Bacolod kay once a month, pero naka-realize sila along the way, dili makaya. So, moto nga quarterly siya. And then, naana nilitanan, okay na din siya. So, ang amo na lang is based ni Kuya Bongbong and sa council pag-coordination meeting if kung kinsa ang mo amend, at the same time, after sa amendment, ma-recognize na siya sa office of the mayor as part ng nanay council nga based sa executive, and also moto siya ang overall. So, anything nga ganahan pa mo appeal ani nga wala ma-include ng mga heads and offices, any suggestions nga wala masuwat.
Church.
Wala nasuwat anything.
Religious group. Ay, religious group.
religious sectors.
Group.
I-appeal siya sa NGO or lahi yun siya.
Siguro na bilang.
Dinakil. Lahi siya.
Lahi siya.
So ang religious at least one lang. Religious one. Anak na. Women's tita. Women's. The LGBTQIA. One rep. And also, we are challenging the cash and maglayat to pass bond sa CSO para matagaan dyan kung budget kay willing yun support po sila. Okay, lumaban.
We have a different meeting with the LGBT.
Sige, lumaban.
For next week, bantayan niyo sila.
Any addition? Nga need pa natong ibutang diri sa part academic to academic. Kay ilahi pa gud diri na ang academic. And then sa LYDC katura sa kanto one youth, student or children and naman po escapement. Ang MSWDO appeal si dyan na ang bracket sa YDO ano na po siya. And I think any comments?
Ang purpose ba nagilong ba sa MS? Ang purpose nagilong sa MS?
MS?
English na. English na.
Because there are two concerns, the climate change and the environmental concern which have brought. So, the more kadaghan ka drivers, the more you want to attend
Oo lagi.
So, ang kanisya din ni
Basta makay.
by the time siguro iba ni enrolled sa ating enrolled mabuta na siguro sa lito kanang subcommittees ba? Subcommittees.
So, kinsang ha ang atong isun as committee ani ay oras lang mga ex-officio po kuno kita nga wala kanang committee silang sa
I guess this will be discussed by the as of this time it will be discussed with the municipal solid waste management board. I'm very happy and glad that we have come up to change the title of the council because there is no